Welcome back to Kanen Coffee. In front of me is a Jura capresso that was brought in by Austin. It had an error number 4, which led us to replacing the temperature sensor on the boiler. After doing so, the error has subsided, and let's brew a shot. That's the pre-infusion. And here we go. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you would like to subscribe, we have videos like this coming out all the time. It would help us out a lot, and thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.